Okay, so we are back in business and I am live finally after an outstanding trailer launch. I'm here at the Fox office and I'm going to answer all your questions. So come on, let's do this. I have question number one ready for me right here.
So you want to tell something more about your character, Akira?
Yes, about my character Akira. She's a very strong-willed, very independent, very like powerful character. She's somebody who's been trained to never back down by her father, to always stand up for things that are right, and to always go with her heart. So it was a very tough character for me to play because of all the martial arts involved in it, and but I have to say it was also definitely one of the most funnest characters I've played so far. It was literally kick-ass.
So what went through your mind when you first heard the script?
When I first heard the script, I was completely mind blown because the character is so powerful, and she's. I think it's a role that everybody would have wanted. It's for me, in a way, it's a path breaking film because. There's never been a action film with a female protagonist, in the main lead, and for me, that's a huge achievement and a really good compliment. So I flipped when I heard the script for the first time.
And how
Nilema, yes, Yasmin is asking me what was my favorite part of this movie. Well, my favorite part, Nilema, was definitely the action. I got to learn something new for this film, and yeah, that was the funnest part, to get to learn something new and to execute that while shooting. It was the funnest part for me.
And how was your experience working with A.R. Murugadoss sir?
My experience working with Murugadoss for the second time was even better. I had a wonderful time shooting Holiday, and wow, what a film it turned out to be. I'm really proud of that I'm part of that film. And with Akira, I think it got even better because, he was directing me as one of his heroes. So I was like fully charged up and ready to go. And for a director like him to put his faith in me to be able to pull off this role is a huge achievement, I feel, and it was fantastic. I couldn't have asked for more. Eddie is asking me how long did it take me to shoot the movie and the stunts. Well, the movie took a while to shoot because we shot it over a period of time and like with a lot of breaks in the middle. Once I injured myself, so we had to take a break so I can recover. Then we had different locations, dates and all that, but once it got made, I think it was all worth it, and the result is fantastic. And stunts, yeah, I had to do my own stunts, and I think that was the most enjoyable part for me. There's some really great action, and working with Anil Arasu sir, who's been the action director on many of my films, Dabangg 2, Rowdy Rathore, Holiday. He's directed Akshay and Salman, and I used to always be watching him direct, and these guys doing the action, and I told him, sir, on the fourth film, now I'm your hero and you have to direct me, and we had a good laugh about it, and he was very happy. He was actually very proud of the way that I had carried out the stunts and the action, and if they are happy, I'm happy. Then Ankita Arora is asking me, please share some weight loss tips. Now is not the time, but just zip your mouth and run to the gym. Be regular in whatever you do, and I think the results will start showing automatically. Consistency is the key, yes. Vicky is telling me मैं साड़ी में अच्छी लगती हूँ. Thank you, Vicky. But in Akira आप मुझे दूसरे अवतार में देखेंगे. साड़ी में एक्शन मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा था, तो they put me in leggings, so thank them for that. Trailer. Everybody is really kicked and excited about the trailer. Don't worry, it's going to be out soon, when you least expect it. Call all your friends to this live chat. Then I'll drop the trailer like one bomb. अकीरा की स्टोरी अभी बता दूं तो फिर आप फिल्म देखने नहीं जाओगे, तो आप रुक जाओ थोड़ा. बहुत अच्छी कहानी है, ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स वेरी ग्रिपिंग. अंकित मिश्रा इज आस्किंग मी अकीरा की स्टोरी. बहुत ही ग्रिपिंग, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, एक अच्छी थ्रिलर है. बहुत सारा एक्शन है, और अनुराग कश्यप ने विलन का रोल किया है और बहुत ही अच्छे से निभाया है। कोंकणा सेन शर्मा है हमारी फिल्म में, जो एक बहुत ही टैलेंटेड, सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस है। और इन सब के साथ मुझे काम करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला। थैंक्स नील सागर, यू लाइक द कलर ऑफ माई लिपस्टिक।
One message would you like to give for your fans?
Yes, one message that I would like to give all of you is that I just want to thank you all for your support. आपने हमेशा मेरा साथ दिया है और you know it's today where I am, who I am is because of your love and your affection and your support with me. It's been a great journey and honestly आपके बिना ये अधूरा रहता, तो thank you all for being there with me on this very very wonderful journey of mine.
So I have a question.
Yes.
What is like this cool ass action side that you have? Is it like a hidden side of your? Because you're looking so natural in it. How come we don't know about it? Are you like this in real life?
Hidden?
You are taking serious ass, yeah?
हिडन साइड आई डोंट नो, बट हाँ स्कूल और कॉलेज में मैं एक बहुत बड़ी गुंडी थी। कोई मुझसे पंगा नहीं लेता था और आई थिंक मुर्गदास सर को भी यही लगा होगा कि ये लड़की ये कर पाएगी एक्शन, तो इसके पास जाते हैं। बट आई एन्जॉय, आई हैव ऑलवेज बिन अ वेरी स्पोर्टी पर्सन। मैं स्कूल में बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स खेलती थी और वो आई थिंक because of that athleticism I was able to pick up mixed martial arts far quicker than expected. मैंने 3-4 महीने के लिए ट्रेन किया, फिर जब शूट चल रही थी I trained even then and yeah, so I was just training and I picked it up pretty well, but result आपको दिखेगा जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे and I hope that you like it और मेरी मेहनत सफल हो।
And what? There's one question over there. Prithviraj is saying, what does Akira stand for?
Akira stands for, well, Akira का मतलब संस्कृत में it means graceful strength, which is what this girl stands for. She's proud of being a woman, she's proud of being a girl, but she's so strong that she can beat any boy. Vijay is asking me, are you going to do more of action movies? Yes, I am. I think I've become the staple action heroine. मेरे पास अभी ज़्यादातर action movies ही आते हैं and मेरी अगली फिल्म Force 2 भी एक action movie है, तो yes, I will definitely do a lot more action movies because I enjoy doing them.
Nimarbir Singh is asking you, when will you do a Punjabi movie?
Punjabi movie?
He's from Punjab and wants you to come with Punjabi films.
I would love to do a Punjabi movie. मुझे एक तो मतलब पंजाबी खाना बहुत पसंद है, पंजाबी मुंडे बहुत पसंद है, पंजाबी लैंग्वेज बड़ी पसंद है, so I think if I ever got the chance I would love to do a Punjabi movie for sure.
And
Somebody is playing my own live chat over here, which is really strange to hear. This is the Fox team. Say hi guys, don't feel shy. Hello, where are you going? This is the Fox team who's keeping watch on my live chat right now with you guys.
there's Ahmed Ali who has got, I guess, the most cliche thing to ask you,
What?
which is, say Khamosh please.
अहमद अली साहब को चाहिए कि मैं खामोश बोलूँ, तो जस्ट फॉर यू खामोश।
But आप तो खामोश रहने वाले से नहीं हो ना इस फिल्म में?
हम खामोश रहने वाले में से नहीं है बॉस, अकीरा खामोश रहने वाले में से बिल्कुल भी नहीं है एंड आई थिंक आज के ज़माने में किसी भी लड़की को नहीं होना चाहिए। वी ऑल नीड टू बी एबल टू स्टैंड अप फॉर आवरसेल्फ, वी ऑल नीड टू हैव अ वॉइस, वी ऑल नीड टू हैव आवर ओपिनियंस एंड आवर व्यू पॉइंट्स पुट अक्रॉस देयर, सो डेफिनेटली नोबडी शुड रिमेन खामोश।
Okay. Jagannath Patnaik is asking, Sonakshi, why was there such a big gap between your last film and this one?
Jagannath.
Yeah.
Jagannath is asking why is there such a big gap between my last film and this film. Well, because I was making these films for you and trust me, the wait will be worth it. I've had a lot of fun in shooting for these films and they've been vigorous, they've been really demanding of me, so अच्छी चीज़ बनाने में तो वक्त लगता है ना, तो that's why.
Ashfaq Alivi is asking, you're looking tremendous nowadays. What is your diet plan?
Thank you, Ashfaq. But my diet plan has always actually been pretty much the same. I try and eat small meals every 2 hours, and yeah, I guess that's what keeps your metabolism going. So that really helps. But it's not only that. I think when I work out consistently, that along with my diet works wonders. Yeah.
And
Do a dub. Jamil Ali Bhai is asking me, do a dub smash, please. LOL for Team East FM Kenya. Kenya. Okay, but I mean, I'm on live Facebook, so I can't do a dub smash, but I'll just send lots of love to Team East FM Kenya.
Okay, they're asking you, we have to hear you sing in this film or overall. So is there going to be a song that you're going to sing in the film?
Somebody wants me to sing in this song. You know what? Okay, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. We shot something really exciting just 2 days back for Akira, and I was so moved by it that you might just get something. They're shushing me from the back. It's a live chat. I'm allowed to say whatever I want. So let's see, maybe. Rude fox people.
Me, I didn't do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Habib Hidayat is very sweet. He's saying, I have a girlfriend who looks exactly like you.
Okay. Okay, Habib. you have a girlfriend that looks exactly like me. Well done. Yeah. Okay, everybody, the girls here really seem to like my lipstick shade. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, I think it's time that you want to show something just gone live somewhere.
Yeah,
Yeah,
something's just gone live somewhere. It might have something to do with this film called Akira. So go to the Foxstar Hindi page right now, Facebook page of Foxstar Hindi, and you can see my Akira trailer. Yay! Bye guys, watch the trailer and do tell me what you think about it. Please leave your comments on my Facebook page and the Foxstar Hindi Facebook page. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My heart is beating really fast right now. I cannot wait for you guys to see the trailer. So watch it and get back to me. Love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.